Hi, it's Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. And again, I have another Temu haul for you. Before I show you the haul, this is another Temu t-shirt that I had bought a while back. It's a cotton, I'm assuming it's a cotton blend. I bought another one in green, which has been washed and dried, washed up beautifully. This is the first time I'm wearing this one, but it's super soft. It's not that like silky polyester feeling. It definitely feels like it's some sort of cotton, but as I said, the green one washed and dried beautifully. It didn't shrink or anything like that. So I am fully confident in their clothing. A couple other points that I wanted to mention. I believe I did mention that if you have a delivery that comes late, you will get a $5 credit from them. And another thing is if you place an order and you see the same item is discounted, let them know. Sometimes they will even let you know, and they will refund you the difference for that item. I just had this happen with one of the things that I had ordered. I haven't received it yet, but just in looking through, I saw the same item and I thought I paid more for that. And I went back and looked, and sure enough, it was like $1.50 less in this new advertisement that they had for it. And I just sent off, they have like a little form that you can fill out, and so I just clicked on that. It wasn't the refund requested, it was I forget now what it said. I'll have to see if I can find it and I'll type the words down here, but it was something that you go into and they will credit you the difference. So that's another thing that I just wanted to point out, another great thing about this company. So this order I actually received last week, but I was waiting for something else because it was just a few things. So I was waiting for something else to make it a substantial unboxing. So this is an ice cube tray, but not just ordinary ice cubes. And it comes in different colors, and I got purple because I love purple. But these are the skinny ice cubes. So if you have like a bottle of iced tea or a bottle of water and it has those skinny round tops to it, you can stick these ice cubes in there so you don't have to pour it into a glass. So I know sometimes like my son will go to Wawa and he'll bring me back an iced tea, and most of the time they are refrigerated, but we also will shop at Sam's Club and my husband will buy a case of iced tea. They are not refrigerated. And now you don't have to worry about sticking it in the refrigerator for in case when you want it. You can just grab it, take a couple sips to lower the level, and then stick your ice cubes in it and you'll have it. And this was $2.08. So I'm really excited to use this. Another ice cube tray that I've been seeing, this one was $1.68. And this makes the little round ice cubes. And let me get this open. So this is a two-part. So you put the water in this part, and then you put the lid on, and any excess water will come out these holes, and you'll get perfectly round little ice cubes. So I just thought that these were really cute, so wanted to give that a try as well. And as I said, $1.68. Okay, next up, it's beach and pool season. So of course I had to try their towels. So this one is 31.5 inches by 63 inches. So it's roughly 5 feet by a little under 3 feet. And it was $7.68. And this is a sea turtle. I know it's hard to see the whole thing, but I just thought it was so, so pretty. Says summertime, which I know is going to be backwards for you in the viewfinder, and just has like some shells and things, and there's the turtle. So Now they're not super thick, which I did find that out in someone else's haul that they did. So it's not super thick, but for a beach towel or a pool towel, that's perfectly fine. At least in my opinion it is. So that was this one, and as I said, this was $7.68. This next one is the same size. This was $7.48. No, it's not the same size. This is a little bit smaller. This is 59 inches by 27.6. So this is a little bit smaller than the other one. I guess hence that's why it's a few pennies cheaper, but I just thought that this would be really cute. And it's a $100 bill. Same thickness, not very thick, but again, for a beach or pool towel, I think it's perfect. This next one is, this was that 80 by 160 centimeters, which that is the same as this one. So it's 31.5 inches by 63 inches. So roughly 5 by 3, a little less than 3. And this is just leaves and flowers, monstera leaves. So I thought that this was really pretty. Same thickness as the others. And again, this one was $7.28, right? Or was this $7.68? Now I'm getting them mixed up. No, this was $7.28. Okay, so that was $7.28. And then the last towel, I just thought that this was so pretty. This one is made of microfiber, so it's different than the others. It's quick dry. It says that it's 90% polyester and 10% nylon on the tag, but in the description in Temu, it says that it's microfiber. This one is 63 by 31.5, and this was $8.09. And it definitely feels different than the others. The others feel like a regular terry type towel. This one definitely feels different. And this is a lion. Hold it up this way so you can see it. I just thought that this was so cool looking. And as I said, it's that quick dry microfiber. It actually feels really smooth. So this will be interesting to see how it works out. But I just thought it was just so pretty, I couldn't resist it. So that's it for the towels. And then this next order was supposed to come, it said between June 15th and June 18th, and it actually came 2 days early. It came today, June 13th, which really surprised me. I have another order that I'm waiting for that's delayed in New York. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I'm sure I'll be getting my $5 credit because it was supposed to have been delivered by today was the latest date. So this is the order that my husband went in on me with. I now have him hooked on Temu. And this is a 4-pack of men's underwear, mixed colors, $8.45. And I got him size extra large. So it's this mustard yellow color is the one pair. And then like a dark gray, not quite black, is the next pair. And then this one is black. And then this one is green. So thought that was a good price for these. As I said, $8.45. And then these were to replace my black shoes. I don't know if you remember. I have these shoes. I had ordered them in black, and then I ordered them again in pink because I just love them. I thought they were so cute. They kind of look like Uggs, but they do not have the same cushiony inside as Uggs, but they're really cute, and they have this little gold detail on the little bow in the front, but it's soft, fluffy on the edge of the shoe. And I put in to return the other pair. I did not have to send them back. They say to either donate them or give them away. So I'm going to see if they'll fit my mom. The other things that I had returned and didn't have to physically return to them, I ended up giving to two different friends that they fit. And these I got in a new size, in a 6.5. So that should fit me perfect. Oh, and the price on these had dropped. So they were 14 something originally, and now I only paid $11.17. So that was nice. And then these are the shoes that my husband's excited about. So these are a size 10 men's, which is also a size 44. And this is knotted here. Let's see if I can undo this. Okay. So these were $9.98, and they are like rubber swim shoes. So for him to wear to the pool, and the bottom is rubber as well. They're really funky looking. I can't wait for him to try these on and see how they fit. They're pretty soft, so they should be comfortable. But yeah, they're definitely interesting looking. They're like space shoes, but they're all rubber. So he's excited to try these. And then another thing that we got for him is a belt. And this belt is different than a normal belt. It was $4.38. And the way this works, instead of having a regular belt buckle with holes, if I can get this off of here, come on. It adjusts with this clip. Might have to play with this. But there's no holes for it. You put it through, and he's definitely gonna have to play around with this, and you adjust it. Now there's another one. Oh no, here it is. Okay, so inside there's these teeth, and this is how the size adjusts. That's what I was looking for. I didn't realize it was on the inside. I was looking on the outside of it. So this is how you adjust it with these teeth thingies. And I'm not really sure how this works. Oh, okay. So you have to, there's a little lever here. You have to flip this lever down or flip it up, and then the inside goes down. And then it grabs the teeth. That's really cool. And then I guess to make it looser, you have to flip the lever again. So let me do that again so you can hear it. That's pretty cool. And that's how the size adjusts. So he's going to be excited. Now I'm excited. I can show him how to do it. And he just wanted plain basic black. So it's just a plain black buckle. And he needed just a plain black belt. So, and this is that, like, I guess, pebble leather, they call it. So it has a little bit of a texture to it. It's not quite smooth leather. So I know he's excited for that. And then I got him these insoles. So before you check out, you'll get these, like, a pop-up, I guess, and it'll say, are you sure you have everything that you want? And then it'll give you ideas of things that, again, you didn't know that you needed, but you need. And these were insoles. These were $1.48 for men's insoles. And I don't think I have to take them out. They're, you know, nothing exciting, but just to go inside the shoe to make it more comfortable to stand in. So we added those on. And then we thought we were finished, and he realized that we needed a new filter for our air filter in our bedroom. And of course, they have everything. So they had air filters, $28.79. And it's a, I want to say it was a 10-pack. And they should be the correct filters. No, it was a 2-pack. I don't know where I got 10-pack from. I'm not sure what this is. So, unless that was just to cushion it in the box. I don't know. He'll know. I don't know. But you have to know the number of your air filter, and then you have to check when you look at the filters. You have to check and see what number yours is so that you get the right one. So this had a list of numbers of different air filters, and these were the ones that matched up to ours. So he said that they were double the price on Amazon, and I was able to do that one click and add it to this order. You have so much time before that expires. So if you forget something or you come across something and you've already submitted the order, as long as your order is still considered live, I guess, for lack of words, you just click, you say buy it with one click, and it'll add it onto that order. So that was super easy to do. So these are the filters. Again, I don't know what this is, but it was a 2-pack of filters, and they were $28.79. So that's it for today's haul. I hope you enjoyed everything. Let me know what was your favorite item below, and please give this video a thumbs up, especially if you would like to see more unboxings from Temu. I really love this company. I keep saying, what is the gimmick here? And there doesn't seem to be one. It's just incredible. And I keep finding more things that I need to buy. So hopefully you found something here that was of interest to you. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.